Free to use by schools and teaching institutions. This video can be freely used by any school or institute for teaching purposes. We only ask that you recommend us to the pupils' parents and other schools. We believe that education should be freely available to all. Thank you. Next starts the exercise. This exercise will test your understanding of mathematics at your age. You will find the answers at the end of this video. In this exercise, there are 15 questions. You will have 30 seconds to do each question. If you need more time, just pause the video. You can ask your parent or teacher to help you. Answer for this exercise can be found, either at end of this lesson or on our website. Look at this railway map, shown in Figure 1, and answer the questions below. Here are some facts about this map. Middleton has a large supermarket. Beach is on a seaside. Seekers has a school. Pebbles has a university. Castles has a large toy factory. I live in Bridgend with my mum, dad and brother. We always travel by train. Now answer these questions. Exercise 1. Which town is the furthest from Bridgend? Which town is the nearest to Bridgend? Which town is the furthest from Pebbles? Which town is the nearest to Pebbles? Which town is the furthest from Middleton? Which town is the nearest to Middleton? Which town is the furthest from CBH? Which town is the nearest to CBH? Which town is the furthest from Seekers? Which town is the nearest to Seekers? Which town is the furthest from Lowe's? Which town is the nearest to Lowe's? Which town is the furthest from Castles? Which town is the nearest to Castles? If I catch a train from Middleton to Seekers then to Lowe's and back to Middleton, how far have I travelled?
We hope you have learned something from this video. Please tell at least 5 people about our work, so they can also benefit. Visit our website for hundreds of more free videos.
Answers for the previous exercise are coming next. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching this video. We regularly bring out new videos, so don't miss out. Please subscribe to get these educational videos.